Looking to send money safely and quickly through RBC? Whether you're transferring funds domestically or internationally, Royal Bank of Canada makes it easy to send a wire transfer right from your account. In this guide, we'll walk you through the simple steps to wire transfer money using RBC Online or in-branch. Let's get started. First is log into your RBC account. Then select Transfers and Payment option, then choose Wire Transfers. Next is provide the recipient's information, including their full name and bank details. Review the wire transfer details carefully to ensure all information is accurate. Next is accept the wire transfer's fees, then click Submit to complete the transaction. And that's it. You've just learned how to wire transfer money using RBC Bank. Always double-check the recipient details and any applicable fees before confirming your transfer. For more banking tips and step-by-step guides, don't forget to like, follow, or subscribe. Thanks for watching.